Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this gold cuticle pusher made by Deziine and tell you how it exactly worked out for me. I'll also be sharing some of my tips and tricks from which you will get the most out of any cuticle pusher that you use. Also do check out my nail care video. It is a detailed step-by-step manicure which you can do at home. As this video progresses, there will be a lot more pop-ups just like this. Do check them out for more info. Let's get started. Where did I buy it from? I bought it from the online store called Amazon.in. They ship all over India. Product packaging. The cuticle pusher comes in a gold-plated color and the body looks and feels like it is made of steel. I don't know if it is waterproof, so to be on the safer side, I keep this away from water and dry as possible. Cost and lifespan of the product. The cuticle pusher actually came along with a nipper scissor, so the total cost of the product is 399 rupees. I bought it for 199 rupees as the seller was giving a discount. As for lifespan, I hope it comes for a few years at least. After that, it might develop some rust depending on usage and quality of the product. Claims of the product. Nothing was mentioned on the packaging. The ingredients. This also nothing was mentioned. My experience. This is one of the types of pusher that you can get in the market. Personally, this is the kind I like. And if I'm not careful, this can also cause a lot of damage to my nail bed. So you have to be really careful, guys. Check out my nail care video for more tips. The weight of the pusher is a bit heavy and I feel that this helps me in navigating the tool better. From any metal pusher like this, one should not push it too hard as it will start to scrape the nail itself. How I use the cuticle pusher. This is the end that I use for pushing the cuticle, which is this white sticky layer on the nail. I push it up to the epinocium, which is a thick layer surrounding the nail bed. Since I don't have a cuticle remover to soften this area, I make sure the nail is softened by dipping in lukewarm water. Next, I use a pusher and gently push the cuticle up to the epinocium area. Sometimes the white cuticle pushed is too much, then I use a cuticle nipper to remove them from the nail bed. Pros and cons. It is wallet friendly, the packaging is sturdy and the product does not take up that much space and it is not that heavy either. It has a good lifespan for its cost. As I mentioned, I hope it at least comes to about a few years. It is easily available for me. My rating. For this price, the product is very reasonable. It removed my cuticle very easily and also shaped my nail bed. It is not that costly and the quality looks good. Hopefully they should last for a few years and not get rusted. Don't forget to check out my other nail related videos that I'm posting. It is a must watch for beginners. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!